Welcome to my YouTube channel Kidzstars. Hope you all fine and doing great. In this video guys, you all see the Prince family unboxes their diamond play button from YouTube, celebrating their achievement of reaching 10 million subscribers. The family members express their gratitude to their fans for their unwavering support and discuss where to display the award alongside their others' precious. The family received the diamond play button nearly a year after hitting the 10 million subscriber mark. Each family member shares their feelings about receiving the award and thanks for fans. They discuss the possibility of receiving another diamond play button for their Clubhouse channel, which is nearing 6 million subscribers. The fam So guys, thanks for watching the happiness of the Prince family. Hope you guys will like this video. If you like it, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care. Bye bye.